thanks. Today we will discuss second part of uterine therapeutics by Winton. Previously we discussed first part. In continuation with second part here given. Part second, repertory. This section contains the repertory proper under the following like menstruation. This section includes specification of menses under time and quantity of discharge, character of menstruation, discharge, before menstruation, during menstruation, menstruation, after menstruation, amenorrhea. This section includes the rubrics, that is cause and concomitants. It includes the causes most frequently associated with amenorrhea along with the chief accompaniments, abortion. This section includes the rubrics, cause, character of the discharge, character of the pain, mental condition, lochia. It includes peculiarities of the discharge, concomitant symptoms. This section deals with the change in the character of lochia which accompanies puerperal complaints. Next is leukorrhea. It includes character of the discharge, cause, time, aggravation and amelioration of the disease, concomitant symptoms. This section deals with the peculiarities of leukorrhea, rubrics, leukorrhea under the given rubrics as a whole from mind to genitals, mind and moods, sleep, vomiting, vertigo, headache, abdomen, head, anus, eyes, rectum, ears, stool, nose, urination, face, urine, mouth, your sexual organs, throat, chest, appetite, respiration, erections, cough, peak off, heart, water brush, extremities, nausea, back, skin. Next one is this section is a real marvel of this repertory. Some astonishing results that it includes separately and with deals or details all parts of the body and their symptoms. It even includes parts of the female genitalia with labia, pudendum, pudenda, vulva, vagina, uterus, ovaries, both right or left. Next, arrangement of the rubrics. Like most regional repertories of that time or particular time, rubrics in each chapter are in alphabetical order given in ABCD manner. Sub rubrics are given after an indentation followed by the medicine in the right manner, right line. Sub rubrics are given with more indentation. Indentation means in a line followed by a comma after each part. Next, index. At the end of the book, index as given, which has the sections and rubrics arranged alphabetically under it. This section facilitates the search of needed rubric. Next is typography used. Two types of typographies have been used in the whole books, like italics and ordinary Roman. Not like another repertory 5, 6, 7 or 8 rubrics or grades are given like italics or ordinary Roman. Medicines are indicated in part first Mathia Medica and part second is repertory with same typographies. Next, merits of the repertory. Like it is a very elaborate and detailed work covering most of the symptom or covering all the symptoms. It contains rubrics related to female at one place and so serves as a quick bedside references. The section persons remedies especially for is a masterpiece and covers most of the constitutions. Next, merits of the repertory. Running concomitant symptom of each chapter are placed along with and followed by general concomitant chapter in the end. That is by general concomitant chapter in the end. Next, the general concomitant chapter contains the symptoms related to the whole body and mind. Next one is demerits of the repertory. Demerits, disadvantages. The number of medicines is limited, very limited medicines. Being a clinical repertory, it is a repertory not complete and is mainly used for reference work. It is like a small repertory. Same symptom is repeated under different rubric or heading and again in concomitants. Demerits of the repertory in running continuation, that is mental condition is specifically given under the abortion only and not under amenorrhea or leukorrhea, though it is the mention under general concomitants. Next, only lochia is given. No other complaint of pregnancy or lying in period is covered. Number of clinical rubrics is also. In spite of the above shortcoming limitations, Minton's therapeutic is a complete repertory in itself. The repertory can be used in most of the present female disease with the favorable results of favorable conditions. Thanks. Many, many thanks.